and it's Christine today. And now let us all welcome Mommy Ivy together with Daddy Jada, of course, together with the pretty boy at last. Everybody shout, happy birthday, Agnes, in 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Agnes! Happy birthday, Agnes. Please remain standing. Please remain standing for ating opening prayer.
Atlas! Atlas!
Okay, please remain standing for ating opening prayer to be led by Tita Rian. Okay, please remain standing for ating opening prayer to be led by Tita Rian. Sister Rian for today's celebration. Johnny, birthday song in 3, 2, 1, and sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, in one hand, Daddy, close your eyes and make a silent wish for Atlas. In a count of 3, we now blow his candle in 1, 2, 3, and blow.